Wow, how they do?
Toilet.
Oh my gosh!
This looks kind of fun, actually. I kind of want to do this.
Another idea. It's
Grill.
They're
dancing. I love you, little lady. You're my favorite sausage. An old car.
Okay. Wait, there is just a bottle with fuel, or what was that? Okay. Wow,
Pretty cool.
I like it.
That's an oldie.
It's very and shaky.
It's pretty shaky. I feel like all of them were shaky, like regardless.
Yeah. Okay, what is this?
This is a cool, weird. Is it a device that helps you break into things? Because it looks like it. It looks like a spy kid would have this.
Wait, but he didn't open the door.
Yeah.
What's the point then?
The
Maybe
point
you
is to show us and make us wonder.
Oh, okay. Thank you for explanation, Flynn.
You're welcome. I'm
very
happy
kind.
to explain everything badly.
Okay, what is this?
This is a device that helps you grow your right finger.
Oh, okay. Nice. Thank you.
And your left
Flynn,
nut.
for your.
All right, so. Oh, it's
So-
a taser flashlight.
Yes.
Wow.
Which is.
What?
You can see the enemy.
This is insane. It's a secret camera.
It's a not secret. You can visually see.
You can't see it if you're holding it like
if you
a can.
kind of.
Yeah. If you open it like this,
like this, nobody can.
you can't tell shit.
But wow,
I love
it's
it.
so complicated.
It's
But I love
complicated.
it, but I love it as well. Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Pot.
I actually love this this gadget.
Yeah.
I don't know how to name it, but
It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. A lot of smoke there.
I
I feel like you're supposed to take drier leaves
okay.
because wet leaves always smoke. You know, like if you put wet wood or anything on a fire. Okay, what is this guy even doing?
Just fill it in the.
He's
the
filling in a toy. Yeah. Okay.
Which looks very realistic at the same time.
Yeah. So
Cool.
we have candy. All right.
Which
How are we
I
gonna make
love.
this into separate candy?
And
oh,
that
magic.
was amazing. I know this craft. I know there is a fuel tank, right?
Wow. Okay. Cool.
Okay. Actually, I saw another one where it's just the whole headlight will go like so.
Wow. Ooh, nice. Love
was
that.
satisfying.
Uh-oh, somebody's trying to break in.
Wait.
How are they trying to break in with this?
I don't know.
Oh.
Ooh.
Be careful of rubber bands and tape.
Yes.
So we have this stuff, this goo,
But-
and we're covering a crack.
Mm-hmm.
So it's some hot tar probably.
Yep.
That looks nice.
Where is it like?
Trying to make sure that no one breaks their mother's backs by stepping on it. Now we have, wow, this is creepy as heck.
It's wow. How they do?
Toilet.
Oh my gosh!
This looks kinda fun, actually. I kinda wanna do this.
Another idea is when they just throw, some bottles.
Yeah, we should get 2 different colored toilets, one pink one and one blue one, and we should make them fight to the death.
But what's the point of testing here?
Fun. Just having fun.
Yeah.
Goofing around, doing boy stuff. Wow.
That's then
He looks like he has the skill to do it.
dangerous. Yeah.
Wow. Impressive.
Yes. Actually, wow. What is this? Is it paint or is it a glue for gluing something?
It looks like glue, I would say.
Yeah, it looks more like a glue. Then,
Ooh,
hey, I
meatballs.
didn't.
Why? That looks gross.
That looks actually clever.
I've eaten so many of your French fries. I'm sorry. All right, so we have a hole. Is it a filler?
I guess it's a hole maker, which is filler at the same time.
Nice. I
Yeah.
like it. Poke, 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 and you can't tell the difference.
But now he gonna use another. No, they actually use in other things to make it better, and that nobody will notice that there is a hole.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's like I don't know, something
Some
sharp thing.
Okay, I like it.
Wow, what is this?
This is some beautiful art.
Yeah.
Geometry, shapes. This is exactly what I would make if I were a good artist. All right, so we're wrapping up our hair. putting it in a bun. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
And
What am I looking
Whoa.
at? Oh my
Oh.
gosh! What happened to the hair?
wait, what the heck?
That was scary. What?
Is it that one? You know, in Las Vegas, they made the house like a ball, you know, which is full of the screens.
Yeah.
And they project anything. It looks like they just project eye.
Yeah, it looked like it. There's another, you know, Fallout games
Mm-hmm.
about the post-apocalypse.
Yep.
There's it's New Vegas, I think, has a DLC where you go to this thing called it's Silicon Valley,
Yeah.
where people make all of like the craziest technological, you know, technology shit. And I am not a technology person, so obviously
I'm a video person.
I make content on the internet. You can't blame me for this. So anyway, there's these like the villains are these screens with giant eyes on them that control everything. They're just brains in tanks, and they have these giant. So when you first get there, you wake up in this Silicon Valley. You're woken up by these like giant floating eyeballs.
Oh,
It's pretty
boy.
scary.
Oh, boy. Wow.
It's clever, but at the same time, the way that you're doing it is just kind of like, you know, a little meat popping.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I guess I need to send my grandmother that hat.
Okay. You can. This is pretty cool.
Wow. Wait, there is a dude who just watching on it?
Yeah. That's his whole job.
Wow.
It's pretty nice.
Wow. And
Look at that. They get treated like kings, these pies.
okay.
Whoa. Oh. 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 Nice.
Oh. Oh, I know what it is.
This is
about.
the pepper seed?
Yeah, and about the growing. He has a lot of, you know, amazing video how he grow up different plants and
I love
everything.
it.
Wow.
Nice.
I love the growing. Whoa.
Oh!
Come on.
Buy me dinner first.
Yeah.
God, that looked so good.
Yeah, very tasty at the same time. Oh my god.
Should we make that? Should we test it? I don't believe it. We should test it.
Yeah, this is not gonna work well,
Yeah,
so
no,
we need to
should
test.
definitely test it.
So, okay, wow, that software really transformer.
Yeah, it's got a lot of application. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. That's terrifying.
Well, what is that fish? Is it
The death fish. And it's a frog, I think, that they put in there. Oh.
Dang.
It just inhaled it.
She just swallowed it. Whoa.
It's me when I'm like, I'm not hungry. I'm not gonna eat anything. And then my friend orders French fries, and I'm like,
That's actually
yeah.
that's actually true.
Talk a lot more.
But you need to somehow light them up. They are not flammable,
Yes.
like
True.
a heart.
Hard to burn.
Okay, and some special drill bits which can hold any screw, I guess. Yeah, with
What?
a strong magnet on it.
So no chance it's coming off.
I have doubts that this is gonna work.
Yeah, I
myself.
mean it'll work, but like you just have to be accurate, you know.
Oh, it's kind of useful thing actually.
Pretty good for drilling holes in
Yeah.
the top of your bottles.
Yeah.
Nothing else though.
No more.
Okay, so we got some chains for your tire.
Okay.
All right, so I guess it's good for grip, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
For some off-road, I guess. Or yeah. I don't know how for ice road. Is it good enough? Maybe good. But yeah. Wow.
So now we're doing a little carpet cleaning.
How you gonna dry it off?
Literally
That's
no idea.
Always a question for me. Okay, there is
Okay.
a timer.
That's cool.
Yeah.
And once it's there,
Peace.
selfie mode.
Yeah.
I love old cameras.
Yes, I played a lot with my grandfather cameras, which is also has all these features with the timer and everything, and I broke it.
Aww. Poor
Yeah.
camera.
Yeah, bad me.
Wow, so it shows when it's
Wait.
covered and when it's not, the light,
Oh,
the
it's
level
a-
of the light.
oh.
So if it's overexposed or something, I think maybe it'll show. Or if it's too dark.
maybe you shouldn't forget to, you know.
Oh, take the
top-
lens cap off.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
Oh, okay. Wow, it's actually Nice.
Nice.
But you can level it. Wow. Give us more.
Pretty good. I like it. And you know what else you would like? All of our other content put together.
Page.